When it comes to the topic of intelligence, most people define it in the terms of a single index of cognitive abilities. That means if a person is good in academics or he is very good in solving mathematical problems, we say he or she is an intelligent person. But in 1983, famous educationalist and researcher Dr. Howard Gardner questioned this long-held assumption of intelligence and argued that intelligence is not a single entity, rather there exist multiple intelligences, each distinct from each other. Second, these intelligences are independent in nature. So if a person is good in one type of intelligence, we cannot say or predict how good or bad he will be in other different types of intelligences. But different types of intelligences interact with each other to solve different problems. He says there are 8 different types of intelligences in people, but all individuals do not possess them in equal proportion. Each one of us is excellent or better in some areas and not so well in other areas. So let's have a look at these 8 different types of intelligences. First is logical mathematical intelligence. This is the ability to think analytically in an orderly and practical manner, and ability to solve mathematical problems. This type of intelligence deals with the abstract reasoning and manipulation of symbols related with numerical problems. Scientists, computer programmers, mathematician, economist, accountant, chess player, these people have high logical mathematical intelligence. Second is linguistic intelligence. It is the ability to understand, acquire and use language effectively. It is related with reading, writing, listening, talking, understanding, etc. Language teachers, translators, poets, authors, writers, journalists, translators, they all have high linguistic intelligence. Third is visual spatial intelligence. This is the ability to view things accurately or create mental images. This is the ability to manipulate objects within space. This kind of intelligence is used while navigating in space, forming, transforming and using mental images. Drivers, sailors, pilots, interior designers, architects, these people have high visual spatial intelligence. Fourth is musical intelligence. It is the ability to accurately perceive and produce acts of sound, pitch, tone and melody. Person with high musical intelligence shows sensitivity to pitch and tone required for the singing, playing an instrument or composing or appreciating music. Singers, musicians, musical instrument players, they have the high musical intelligence. Fifth is bodily kinesthetic intelligence. It is the ability to be aware of functioning of one's body and ability to demonstrate strong physical coordination and ability to demonstrate strong eye-hand coordination and fineness in the movements. Dancers, players, actors, athletes, yoga instructors, mountaineers, they have strong bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Sixth is interpersonal intelligence. This is the ability to understand motives, feelings and behaviors of other people. People with high interpersonal intelligence have ability to understand, communicate with, interact and influence other people. Public relation officers, salespersons, managers, HR professionals, comedians, radio jockey, they have high interpersonal intelligence. Seventh is intrapersonal intelligence. It is the ability to be deeply in tune with or ability to control oneself physically, emotionally and spiritually. It is related to the understanding of one's own self and developing a sense of identity. Social workers, spiritual leaders, educationalists, psychologists, philosophers have high intrapersonal intelligence. Eighth is natural intelligence. It is the ability to tune into natural world or natural life sciences. It is related with recognizing different flora and fauna and making a distinction in natural world. Farmers, horticulturists, environmental activists, dog trainers, veterinary doctors, they have high naturalistic intelligence. Every individual possesses these 8 types of intelligences but in different degrees. A biology teacher has a strong naturalistic intelligence, interpersonal intelligence and logical mathematical intelligence, whereas a cricketer has a strong bodily kinesthetic intelligence and visual spatial intelligence. So every person is gifted and talented. Discover yourself and find out how are you intelligent.